Are you the kind of girl who's not a big fan of makeup or just dislikes the whole makeup routine? Well, in today's video, I've got some game-changing tips and tricks that will really help you to enhance your natural beauty without a single drop of makeup. Let's get started. Tip 1. Teeth care. Morning breath can be a downer, but fear not, good hygiene is here to save the day. Let's make it easy. Start by brushing your teeth in circles at a 45-degree angle with fluoride toothpaste, then floss to remove plaque between teeth. Finish with mouthwash for extra freshness. Maintaining oral hygiene isn't just about teeth. It's a game changer for your overall appearance. Tip 2. Establish a good skincare routine. The internet is flooded with skincare advice and products, yet it often lacks clear guidance on what to do and what products to use. To make it simple, I advise you with this 3 simple steps only. Step 1. Cleanse to remove impurities. Step 2. Tone to balance skin's pH. Step 3. Moisturize for hydration and prevention of dryness. This simple 3 steps are the fundaments for a nourished and natural glow skin. You'll notice improved texture, minimized issues, and a vibrant, makeup-free look. Tips 3. Use rice water. Incorporating rice water into your skincare routine can work wonders. It helps balance the skin's pH and provides vitamins. Rice water tightens pores, evens skin tone, and provides moisture, giving your face a refreshed appearance. Tip 4. Sunscreen. Applying sunscreen is non-negotiable, ensuring a radiant, long-lasting glow. The paramount importance of sun protection, emphasizing its role in preserving skin health and preventing premature aging. By incorporating this sunscreen into your daily regimen, you not only prioritize skin well-being, but also lay the foundation for a vibrant and enduring radiance. Tip 5. Facial exercises. Let's spice things up with facial exercises. Inspired by the hottest TikTok trend, these cheek exercises will have you feeling like a superstar in no time. We're talking about sculpting those cheekbones, bringing out your inner goddess. Tip 6. Lip care. Transform dry, lifeless lips into a vibrant pout. Exfoliate with Derma's microdermabrasion scrub, unveiling softer, pinker lips. Enhance the effect with lip plumper or balm, achieving that glossy finish. Embrace a natural lip glow that steals the spotlight, proving that makeup-free beauty starts with healthy, cared-for lips. 7. Removing blackheads. Blackheads can be bothersome, affecting the skin's appearance. This trendy dye-eye mask is working like magic with this problem. Combine toner, egg whites, and a paper towel for a straightforward solution. Refreshed skin, and confidently tackle blackhead concerns at home. Tip 8. Use sheet mask. Enhance your skincare routine by applying a sheet mask before bedtime. Elevate the experience with a jade roller, promoting optimal product absorption and diminishing facial swelling. Wake up feeling refreshed and radiant. Tip 9. Natural blush. Gently squeeze and massage cheeks for a natural blush, ensuring a long-lasting rosy glow that lasts for hours effortlessly. Tip 10. Use gua sha tool. Massaging your face with gua sha tool will boost circulation, reduces puffiness, and enhances skincare absorption, leading to a natural, radiant complexion and relaxation your skin. Tip 11. Use ice under eye. Ice becomes a secret weapon for banishing under-eye puffiness and dark circles. The chill reduces swelling and tightens blood vessels, leaving you looking refreshed and awake. It's a simple yet effective remedy for tired eyes that stands out in a crowd of skincare options. Tip 12. Apply eye patches. Eye patches, my absolute love. These little wonders offer an instant refresh for tired eyes, minimizing puffiness and brightening the under-eye area. Regular use makes them a game changer for combating those late-night study sessions or Netflix binges, ensuring your eyes remain vibrant and captivating. Tip 13. Highlighter. For a natural glow, consider using oils like coconut oil or Vaseline as a DI highlighter. Apply them to your cheekbones, nose tip, forehead, and chin for a subtle, radiant finish. These readily available products effortlessly, providing a luminous and dewy look without the need for makeup. Tip 14. Eyebrow care. Eyebrows play a pivotal role in framing the face, and maintaining a natural yet polished look is essential. Emphasizing the preference for natural-looking eyebrows, I recommend plucking only at the brows end, creating a lifted and less tired appearance. A crucial tip involves using a spoolie or toothbrush to gently brush eyebrows upward, enhancing their shape and neatness. This simple technique contributes to a more refined and youthful look. 15. Curling eyelashes. Experience a lash transformation without mascara. Curling lashes with Aquaphor not only avoids the clumps but also provides a comfortable, moisturizing alternative. The result? Noticeably lifted and hydrated lashes, making your eyes pop effortlessly. Tip 16. Hair care. Well-groomed hair is the key to an impeccable appearance. Understanding your hair type is crucial for effective care and styling. Whether it's straight, wavy, curly, or coily, each type demands specific attention. Tailoring your hair care routine to its unique characteristics ensures a healthier and more vibrant man. Also address hair issues with targeted treatments for a polished look. Remember, hair accessories elevate your style, adding flair to your appearance whether you chose headbands, clips, growth. Tip 18. Nail care. Regular practices include trimming, filing, and moisturizing to prevent breakage and promote growth. Consistent care enhances the aesthetic appeal and well-being of nails. Tip 19. Smelling good. Scent plays a major role in attractiveness. Apply perfume strategically to pulse points for a lasting. Tip 20. Adding accessories. Jewelry, the ultimate accessory that transforms your look. It's not about quantity, but about the right pieces. Keep it light, keep it simple. Delicate pieces like butterfly earrings or a dainty necklace elevate your appearance. The right jewelry is your silent partner in making a stylish statement effortlessly. Tip 21. Outfit. Your outfit is your personal style signature. Choose clothes that flatter your body, combining comfort with confidence. Unleash your creativity by drawing inspiration from Pinterest, a treasure trove of fashion ideas that reflect your unique taste. Embrace your style, embrace yourself. Tip 22. Smile. The power of a smile goes beyond aesthetics. It transforms your aura, making you approachable and radiating positivity. In a world where eye contact and smiles are scarce, be the exception, leaving a lasting impression that transcends beauty standards. Tip 23. Self-love. Self-love involves adopting practices that prioritize your well-being. Start by acknowledging your strengths, setting healthy boundaries, practicing self-compassion, and engaging in activities that bring you joy. Cultivate positive affirmations, celebrate achievements, especially when makeup-free. Self-love completes this transformation. Achieving your desired results is challenging without prioritizing this basics essential factors. Ensure success by drinking ample water for skin hydration, maintaining a well-balanced diet for overall health. Quality sleep is crucial for rejuvenation and a vibrant appearance. And that's it for today's video. My friends, stay shine and positive. My girls, I love you all and see you in the next video.